In our today's session of digital marketing tutorials part 3, I'm going to discuss about the concept of email marketing, what is inbound marketing, then what is online reputation management, and what is Google Analytics. Now, this is part 3 of our digital marketing tutorial series. We have taken digital marketing part 1 as well as digital marketing tutorial part 2, and this is the same series video, and I'm taking this part 3 video. Okay, let's discuss the concept of email marketing. What exactly is email marketing? See, the basic idea of email marketing, the basic strategy of email marketing is how can we use email to reach our target audience. That is basically, see, what happens in email marketing is someone have subscribed to my blog and he likes my blog and he subscribed to my blog. So in email marketing, we want to engage with that audience, we want to reconnect with those audience, and in future I can able to use the email as a medium to convert that person. And it may also happen with you, a lot of times you buy a product, right? But after 1 week or 2 weeks, you will see that you received an email from that company with a specific offer or a specific discount, and we go ahead and we take the coupon or we buy the off we buy the product because of a coupon or an offer, right? This entire strategy is basically we will be doing in email marketing campaign. So you see, in big companies there will be specialized email marketing professionals. It's not like in entire digital marketing will be handled by one professional. No, in most of the big companies, multinational companies, every segment will have a specialized professional. But if you're going to work for any startup, or if you're going to work for any agency which is not a multinational or which is not a very big organization, in that they expect you that you should have all of this subject knowledge, so that if there is any requirement, if there's any project, if there is any client requirement or request, you should be able to do that option. So in simple terms, email marketing is a strategy to do the marketing of a business via the email itself. So now, is it effective one? How we should use this concept? See, we will basically consider a customer in a funnel. For example, if he's giving his email ID, just his email ID for some information. So he's in funnel, but he's in one part of the funnel. Let's say that stage, we call that as a convert stage. Now he just converted, he gave the email. Then we will go to the next stage. We will also discuss that in inbound marketing also. So what we'll do is, from once he gives the email, he's interested, we know that. So how would I make him buy the product? So that strategy, that process is basically where in email marketing we create different campaigns. At each stage of our process, we create different emails so that the customer can be converted. And also, email marketing is very effective if you're doing affiliate marketing. If you collect a good number of emails for people who are interested in specific topic or specific subject, and you build an email list with you, then in future you can able to reconnect with those audiences and able to send the product and sell your product to those audiences. That is the option of email marketing. Now, how will we do this email marketing? What are the softwares we require, or what are the softwares we have to study? So basically, the very basic and very easy to use software, which even in our actual video program, the complete program, we teach this software in depth, which is MailChimp software. Using MailChimp, anyone within 10 to 15 minutes can set up their email marketing basic campaign. They can able to start getting the forms, and they can start integrating in the website, and that all will happen free of cost. So MailChimp is one software which we can use to start our email marketing. Or you can also use an alternative, GetResponse, that is also an email marketing software. Or you can also use Aweber as your email marketing software. So in short, email marketing is also a very powerful tool, a very powerful strategy to connect to our audience who already know us, and we know them and they know us, because we have their lead, we have their email with us. So in this particular concept, we know them, so we can able to more personalized marketing also we can do with email marketing. Big companies do very effective marketing. Think about Amazon, or think about Flipkart. See, if I buy lots of books from Amazon, and what category of books I'm buying, say for example business books I'm buying, there is a possibility if I subscribe to their email listing, then any new book in business category comes up, I may receive an email automatically. There is a possibility. So this is where email marketing is so effective, that the customer will get at every stage of his process, even after conversion also, we can stay connected with him, and we can able to get a very good conversion rate also by using the concept of email marketing. So this is also a part, this is also a strategy we use in digital marketing. I hope you understood the concept. Now let's move to the next topic. Next digital strategy which we can use is called as inbound marketing. Now, a lot of people, define it in a different, complicated way. See, my point of view for inbound marketing, my simple definition for an inbound marketing is, think about it this way. Now, I have the definition there, but I would like to give you my own easy to understand explanation of inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a strategy or a method wherein I create some good information and content which is helpful for my target audience. They will visit my website because they have seen my content, they liked it, and they visit my website. So as soon as they visit my website, I would ask him, they will read the information and then say, please subscribe to this newsletter. Or I may say, please fill in these details to get the PDF format of this document. Or I would ask him in another way that please fill in this form. Meaning, in short, inbound marketing is a process where we have a stages. I will go into the detail as well. We have some stages where we can able to convert the audience from one stage to another stage in a perfect way, in a proper way. That entire scenario and the entire concept is defined in a very nice, very effective way called as inbound marketing. Where, and also one of the goal of inbound marketing is, once the customer is has bought the product from you, so you will not leave him just like that. You will also try to make him delighted with your services, and so that he can become a loyal customer and also able to brand and give recommendations for your services. This entire process is called as inbound marketing. So in short, inbound marketing is improving our business with the help of content. And once we put quality content for the customer, then we can able to make them our promoters in long term once they become our customer. So what are the topics we use in this is content marketing strategy. The most important factor of inbound marketing to attract the customer towards our business is content marketing. Then we will use lead generation, getting the customer lead. Then we will work on landing page works. We will be optimizing the landing page of the website to make it more effective for the customer. And also we'll be using the concept of CRM. Okay, customer relationship management software also we use, so that we can close the customers, we can close the leads faster, and we can able to get a good closing rate from our existing leads option. So that is the option of inbound marketing. Now let's see what is the process involved. So this diagram, this is taken from HubSpot, one of the most popular company for promoting inbound marketing. So if you see, this is the entire cycle of inbound marketing. And if you see on the top, we have stages like attract stage, convert stage, delight stage, and close stage and delight stage. And this is the right now the position of the user. First, a customer is a stranger, and when you go through the attract stage, when we apply the attract stage, he becomes a visitor of a website. Once he become a visitor, then we will try to get the lead from him. We get the information from him. So then it becomes a lead. Now, once he become a lead, then using CRM and other strategies and email marketing, etc., we try to convert that to a customer. And once he become a customer, with our proper service and after sales service and different support related initiatives, we can able to convert them as a promoter as well. So here in each stage, we have each topic of discussion. Like for attraction, what do we require? We require content marketing. We require blogging. We need to use social media. We need to create some tools. We need to create some guides. So all of this option in the stage one will be more about content marketing strategies. Then the second part of this convert, where we are going to study about the concept of landing page optimization, how to put the call to action, how to use the buttons, how to use the forms, how your landing page should be, what colors we should use. These are all discussed in the convert stage. And then in the closing stage, we will be going for email marketing, proper email workflows, CRM integration, lead nurturing strategy, and all that we will work on the closing stage. And also we require a sales team to come into play whenever we are going for the close stage. And finally, once he become our customer, we will try to use social media, smart call to action, email marketing, etc., to make him delighted so that he can become a promoter of our business. So this is overall concept is called as inbound marketing strategy. And in our program of digital marketing video program, which we are offering in a paid format, which is almost like 70 to 80 hours program. In that inbound marketing, one topic we are covering around 4 to 5 hours of discussion is there on this topic itself. So this is a brief overview of the entire strategy. So I'm just touching the subject. What exactly is this inbound marketing? So let's go ahead and see the other module of our digital marketing. So one more module we have, one more strategy we have is online reputation management. Now this is very crucial subject. You see what happens in general regard, what happens with what is reputation here is companies spend lots of money in online, they spend lots of dollars in online, but imagine if someone wrote a bad review, someone wrote a bad comment about your business, it's going to have a negative impact on your business, correct? So what we do with online reputation management is it's a method and a practice and a process where we monitor the brand, we monitor the business in all the places like search engines, in social media, again in social media, all the networks we monitor. Then we will see what people are talking about this website, in review website, in complaint website, what people are talking about. So reputation management is a practice of monitoring the reputation of an individual or a brand to improve its reputation and remove any negative references about the brand. So in short, ORM will help the company to maintain its reputation. If someone is writing bad about you, so how do you tackle that? If your competitor is writing bad about you, how you're going to remove that negative thing, or how you're going to tackle it? This entire stuff we are going to study in the concept of in the concept of online reputation management. And also most of the companies, now recent example I will give you, recently Pepsi have spent around 20 around 2 crore rupees, around 2 crore rupees on the concept of ORM. You say, sir, why would they spend 2 crore rupees on ORM? The reason was someone have put up a video. If you've seen in all the social media, Kurkure brand, we had this, someone is, burning it and they say this is made up of plastic. That video gone viral and lot of networks have people shared it. So this impacted their business. So they have taken some legal action and they removed all the videos from all the sources. So this cost them around 2 crore rupees just to remove this particular option. I'm not sure 2 crores or 20 crores. I've read that in the newspaper. So the idea is that it's very, very important that I have to have a proper procedure and a proper strategy. So how is my business position? Is it positive? Is it negative? Anything comes against our brand in negative, is it true? If it is by our customer, the problem is our problem. We have to solve our services. But if it is by a competitor, how do we tackle it? If it is by someone who don't like you personally, but he didn't take your services, so how do you tackle that person? So we will be working on the online reputation, where our goal is to make sure that we can able to monitor our brand's reputation, and if any negatives are there, we are going to remove it. Or if how do we get the positive engagement from our satisfied customer? We'll all do this in the concept of in the concept of online reputation management. And then what are the areas we focus in ORM is search engines. We have to handle the search engines, review websites, complaint websites, social media, and third party blogs and websites. So these 5 areas are there where we will focus on ORM to bring the best possible results for the client, so that he will not have any negative impression or any negative references for the brand or the product. So this strategy is called as online reputation management. So these are all the concepts we use in real time. Let me give you a overall collective example, collective understanding of all the strategies we use in general. Number one, we use search engine optimization. Number two, we will be using paid advertising, Google ads, Bing ads, and all paid advertising comes under that concept. Then number three, we use social media marketing, which is all social networks will come under that strategy. Then we will be using email marketing strategy. Then we will be using inbound marketing. And again, in each of these steps, there are so many different segments by which are included in individual programs. And then finally, to manage the reputation of the brand, we use the concept of online reputation management. Now coming to the last module, which is also very critical for the success of the company, is Google Analytics. And for your information, Google Analytics itself is also a specific profession. There are a lot of companies who have openings only for analytics segment, because it itself is a very vast subject. very vast subject with lot of information. But as a digital marketer, you should have at least some basic understanding and also working knowledge of the concept of Google Analytics. So in Google Analytics, what we actually do is we measure, we see how many people have visited our website, what they have did in our website, right? And what keywords, what type of sources, like is search engine giving us best results, is paid marketing giving us best result, is social media giving us best result in terms of traffic, in terms of conversion, what keywords are working well for us, what landing pages are working well for us. All of this information we will be learning about in the concept of Google Analytics itself. So this analytics again have free version and premium version. Google free and Google premium is now called as Google 360, Google Analytics 360, where it has completely more advanced features and options to use. But we can go ahead with Google Analytics free version to measure the traffic of your website. So these are all the strategies, and I've said this particular program in this is a video to give you the overall understanding, right? So the part 1, part 2, part 3 is nothing but just an introduction of what is there in digital marketing, what are the concepts of there in digital marketing. So I hope you understood the basics well, and I would be from upcoming sessions, I'm going to take some individual topics in detail, like for example SEO, how to do SEO, what is the SEO strategy, and practically I'm going to show you how to implement the SEO strategy. All right, I will take a sample example, a page, and then I will implement all the on-page elements in it, keyword research, on-page elements, etc. So you get the idea that okay, this is how SEO is done. Like next, I'll go with some paid PPC campaign management in a practical way. I'm going to show. But I would say that because this is our YouTube channel, just to give you an introduction and to give you the fundamental idea and the fundamental structure. So I would be covering each topic in an individual video, so you can able to learn from that video. But I also have a complete in detail program as well, which is or you can go to login to webtrainings.in/videos. We have a complete in-depth comprehensive course which is around 80 to 90 hours program, and it is a paid program, and also I will be giving that link in the description. If you want to learn it fast and completely in depth, you can also join my video program as well. So I hope you understood. And on video on YouTube, I will be sharing different topics in a practical way as well. I hope you understood it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also you can like and share the video. Thank you very much.